Hey, welcome back. I'm going to turn over the review on this awesome DRC drift stunt car to my number one son and expert on trying out these toys. So take it away, Dylan.
Hey, it's Dylan back here with Hardy Brothers Outdoors, checking out a new product that we got for free. So here is the DE81 RC car. It does a bunch of cool stuff like drifts. It can go sideways, diagonal, plays music. It has a demo mode, which it just shows you all the stuff in it. And so I think it's pretty cool, and I might keep it for myself if my dad lets me. And we'll roll a clip of us playing with it. So right here is the power button under the car. Turn it on, it makes a little beeping sound. Right here is the power button for the controller. So you can pretty much see that this is forward, this is backward, this is side, this is the other side. This is the music button right there. I'm pretty sure there's a couple of musics. And then it turns off after that. So there's other buttons where you can go diagonally. And the demo mode is a little button on the right where it just does everything you need it to do. Without me touching it. So that's the demo mode, and I'm pretty happy that they sent these to us, and I think it'd be cool to get more, and so I think you should check these out on the Amazon link, and that is the RC car that we just reviewed today. It's called the DE81 Drift Stunt RC car.
From DRC.
Yes.
All right, bud. How's the dog like it? Should we check it out, see how the dog likes it?
Sure, let's let her back inside.
Let the dog back in.